So there we go. Here's Manang again.
Hi.
And here's Bench enjoying the rain. It's actually raining. Not that hard, just raindrops. Okay, one last look at the subdivision or the land. Okay, so that's the area that pretty much looks civilized. Okay, so one last look. Okay. That's it. My team. Am I or am I not? What? Kita ka? Oo, mukha ka. Okay. Okay, let's go. Enough. So we'll be going back inside the car because the rain is kind of getting hard. Okay. Tofi. Okay na, let's go. Si Kuya Diboy, hindi na nakakain. Baka gusto mong mag-park na sasakyan doon para kumain ka. Ako na kaya magmaneho. What happened? Huh? Okay, I'm gonna drive. Test drive. Okay. Dumikit sa mga pantalon. Alaman eh.
Sakit po. Tinik-tinik.
Okay. Sakay ka na, Kuya Diboy. Get a ride. Okay. Last time I drove a car was last year, 12 months ago. That was back in Pohnpei, Micronesia. So. Okay. Kuya Diboy, hawakan mo. I-video mo lang ako. Nakikita mo naman. Ayun, nakikita mo naman kung ano.
Oo.
Huwag mo lang iuuga kasi
Sige.
may hilo.
Si Mark ngayon ang nagmamaneho sa kasalukuyan. Papunta pa lang kami na LTO. Show Boulevard.
Hanggang doon ako magdadrive. Baka nahihilo na. Ano mo yung nag-video?
Sige. Okay, Mark?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
So hot.
I-banking. Maniobra mo, maniobra. O diretso mo na.
Lagay ko nga dyan.
Diretso lang, diretso. So, okay?
Okay. Wanna take a video of the road?
Oh, yeah. Oh. This one, dead in. Dead in? Okay.
Dead end ba to?
Yun yung sa dulo. Dead in yun. This one. Ito. Ah.
Nahilo na yung nanonood.
Bakit? Paano nahilo?
Huwag mo ganun.
Ano
Umaandar pa ba siya?
Oo, umaandar pa eh. Oh, yun nga. Inaano ko yun, oh. Oh. And right. Right, yeah. Okay. Another right.
Right?
Right. Right. Sige. Another right. Sige.
Oo nga.
Para matuto ka dito. Hindi, kinukunan naman natin eh. Diba ito, naka-video. Oh. Okay? And then, straight.
Wanna take a video of me while I'm driving?
Okay. Ay, go ba? Oh.
Huwag naman close up.